Today is Brochure Tour Day, and in today's video we are taking a look at the 1998 Lincoln Navigator. Alright, and it's pretty common with the era of Lincoln brochures of this era time frame. They all kind of had the same theme. They were pretty perfectly square. They all had kind of a either crinkled look to it or a textured look to it. And then they had a full color central photograph of the vehicle in its representative background. At the top you had the 1998 year, and then below you had Lincoln Navigator, or whatever the vehicle may have been. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, here is a larger version of the cover photograph. And all the Lincoln brochures of this era were like this. They had this little page of a quadrant of different people and different kind of like lifestyle activities, and they all had a different blurb here. And they pretty much always started off as well with this translucent, almost tracing paper style page with another darker square in the middle. Had another blurb to it. Oh, before we even turn the page, it does have a fold out, and this really dates it. So you got the front end of the Navigator. I'm going to kind of zoom into this in a lake setting with mountains in the background, and this is how this is going to actually date it if you've not seen this brochure before. Alrighty. Alright, so we have a nice detailed front view of the grille, the headlamps, the round fog lamps, and a two-page spread of this really nice dark evergreen clear coat metallic Navigator on this tan background. One of the nicest colors on the Navigator, I think. And I've reviewed this generation of Navigator. I'll put a link in the description box. It was black clear coat, much like this car here, this vehicle here. Knickerbocker Theater. It's a pretty neat place. Fold out here. Basically saying that your Navigator is the perfect vehicle for a night on the town. Perfect in luxury and elegance. Alright, and then we have, of course, it's a black tie event and the Knickerbocker. But we have illuminated side steps, we have fog lamps, we have a dual control lift gate, power points for your laptop, power vent windows. Notice the date. Kind of interesting, I just now noticed this. Yeah, September 11th, 1998. Probably a full 4 years before the infamous 9/11 attacks. Alright, and this spread here shows a Cypress Gold metallic towing a horse trailer. Of course, it was based on the Ford Expedition and ultimately the Ford F-150. So it was a pretty powerful vehicle. Had a really strong frame to it. And it could tow. I believe it was about 8,000 pounds of what it could tow, which is pretty handy actually. Alright, and then here we got the engine, overdrive controller, ABS brakes, trailer tow group. Another really nice feature. Looks like it would be out in like Montana or Colorado or something like that. Another dark evergreen, but along this really nice riverbed. Everybody's fly fishing. Of course, the great outdoors, what the vehicle is capable of as well. And of course, you got a little story here. Kind of puts you in the mood, or puts you in the setting. And here it looks like a Navigator fits it right at home inside a garage. Tow recovery hooks, four-wheel drive controller, and of course the most unlikely scenario you'll ever experience. But If you ever went off a paved road into mud and had to cross a river and then get back on the paved road, and then all of a sudden it started snowing all in a couple miles, then, well, the Navigator was the perfect vehicle for you. Alright, here we go. Nice interior spread, highlighting the 3 rows of seats. Second row captain chairs. You can also have a second row bench seat. 2 full center consoles, also very handy. Third row, just like in the Expedition, was extremely roomy. This is the medium prairie tan. And here are the second row seats again. Console open, tons of storage inside it, cup holders galore. And I believe the third one will be your bench seat. Nice little driver's view here. Alright. Alright, some more features here. Single zone automatic climate control. You had a wood and leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunction controls. A huge overhead console that included rear passenger air controls, reading lights, sunglasses holders, auxiliary climate controls, overhead console. You also had various control switches up here, sun visors of course, 3 driver memory, rear audio controls and air vents, power window switches and stuff like that. Alright, and here is a laser red tint coat Navigator on the streets of New York City. I don't think I've ever seen a laser red Navigator. If I have, I don't remember it. Alright, more storytelling, more features, speed sensitive variable assist power steering, lots of storage, and of course independent suspension. Another laser red tint coat in the middle of a snowstorm. Keyless remote entry was standard, as was driver side and passenger side airbags. You also had standard illuminated tread plate or side steps, heated and automatic dimming side view mirrors, and child lock. Alright, and the total commitment page, and of course your specs. Here are specs at a glance. 3 different wheel options. You also had drivetrain, your chassis. Over on this page you had standard features. Functional, safety and security, interior convenience. Up here you had exterior, and of course all of your options in here. And of course what happens when you order the control track 4-wheel drive system. Alright, some options highlighted: power sunroof, automatic dimming mirror, fuel tank skid plate, probably also a transfer case skid plate as well, auxiliary air conditioner controls, and different audio system things. Alright, here is the translucent page again with your dimensions and outline drawings. Different accessories from your Lincoln dealer. And that's it. Navigator from Lincoln. And here are your color choices. As a standard with Lincolns, they are actual color chips. There were only 7 colors available: Cypress Gold, Dark Evergreen Metallic, Laser Red, Black Clear Coat. You had Oxford White, Deep Navy Blue, and Silver Clear Coat. Only 2 interior colors: Medium Graphite and Medium Prairie Tan. All leather. Alright, and that does conclude our brochure tour of the 1998 Lincoln Navigator. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews, and our Instagram channel at BrentSoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.